See what is string concatenation. Concatenation. So we will open this file string concatenation. What we are going to see today is string concatenation. This we will going to see this string concatenation. So what is string concatenation? String concatenation is the addition of two string. String concatenation is the addition of two string. We will see how is how it going to be done. So string is the concatenation of two string. Concatenation is the addition of two string. Okay, so if I consider a will be my string, that is hello, and b will be my string, b variable in which I'll store the string hello. I'll store hello Raju. So there are my two string, one is hello, second another string is Raju. So concatenation means I have to add these two string. Print for addition of these two string, I'll say I'll use the word append. I have to append these two strings. So I will have to print a plus b. Remember we use this plus sign for the addition as well as concatenation. We use this plus sign for addition as well as concatenation. Then my work is done. If I compile, if I run this code, this will print hello Raju in single line. As you can see, as it has print hello Raju in single line. Okay, so hello and Raju both are combined word. So if we want to separate them, so we have to give space in between hello and Raju. So we will give the space, and for giving space we have to again use a string here. So we will use string. How we are going to use it? This we will use space here, and we will again do plus symbol for the addition of second string. So this will be my after I will run the code, it will show that hello space Raju. As you can see, hello space Raju has come. Okay, so this is my string concatenation. Now I am going to tell you how string concatenation only work for strings, not work for it doesn't work for any data like any values. So string concatenation doesn't work for any values. So for that I will use c as a variable, and I will store 20 as a value in c. Then I will do one thing. I'll print c plus a. The logic is compiler has to give c for c's value is 20 plus hello. So compiler has to give 20 plus hello because value of a is hello and value of c is 20, but it is compilation error. Why it is compilation error? Because string concatenation only work for two string, not for a data, not for a value and a string. So after running this code, it will show us error. So it has shown error that so this is basically errors. So you have to remember that it is error. Okay, so this is all about the string concatenation. String concatenation only work for two strings. If we have to add this two string, then we will use string concatenation by means of addition operator or by this plus operator. Okay, thank you.